The drive took me to Club Motorsports, a new, private track facility built into the side of a mountain in New Hampshire. It's a big, swoopy track with huge elevation changes. There I was able to suss out the car's strengths, and its limits. On the big, 2.5-mile, 15-turn road course, with 250 feet of elevation change, I hopped into a rear-drive 3.3T for a handful of lead-follow laps. With traction control dialed back, but not completely disabled, the G70 behaved predictably and forgivingly. Pushing it through a long corner, giving it a bit more throttle helped to kick the rear out and point the nose in. The Michelin Pilot Sport 4 rubber made a lot of noise pretty much the entire time, but did well to communicate and dole out grip and spin appropriately. I learned quickly that with the G70, it pays to be judicious with the throttle. It's easy to dig a little too deeply, in fact, it's hard not to. If smoothness is the key to consistently fast laps, you have to learn not to hammer on this thing on your way past the apex, or risk strain from your line. When I finally learned to be properly light on the throttle on exit, I found the car to flow nicely around this swoopy track. In the AWD version, on the same circuit, I found the G70 3.3T able to pull itself around the corners with a bit more ease, but it was less forgiving, tending toward understeer when cooking a corner a little too hot, not particularly unexpected, but a notable difference from the car I had just been in. More often than in the RWD version, I had to shed speed to bring it back in line.